Welcome, folks. William Caleb, the interweb strategist from WCRpro.com, back at you again with another video. And today we're just going to have a look at the Newbie sales machine. What is the Newbie sales machine? Well, just as the title implies, it's a sales machine that we will put together for you that will allow you to start generating instant commissions. Sums it up in a nutshell. And as you see here on the page right behind me here, you see we've generated almost 1 million visitors, attracted 12,130 customers. Now, this is these are stats from the original installation team of Aaron Danker, which I have associated with, and I have exclusive licenses and agreements with, and thereby it enables me to offer you the installation. So my team, Aaron's team, is going to install you a full sales funnel, selling you a digital product training platform. And the digital product training platform, of course, this is the e-learning space, multi-billion-dollar industry here. And it's in the area, the niche of online business operations. Starting an online business, running an online business, and making conversions in your online business. That's what the e-learning training is all about. So what you're going to have is your own membership site that has well over 300 videos that goes into different trainings. Your customers will come in for the training. They will be giving login information, login details, and they'll log in and start watching their training lessons one by one. Now, what I want you to take a look at here is this page that I'm on now is at interwebstrategies.biz/newbie sales. This is where you come in and get our team to install this membership site to you, which your customers will in turn be using. Okay, so now let's take a look. Now, we're going to go ahead and scroll down and just take a look at some of the sales page you see here. And this right here is going to give you a sort of look at exactly how the training membership site is going to look, what your customer is going to see. We're going to go through that in detail. And this is basically the face of it here. And if I click this right here, I can actually show you what yours is going to look like. Just give 1 second to load up. And here it is. This is the membership site that we're going to set up for you, and I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to do a little scrolling here so you can see this side, and you will see everything that's on this sales page. Now, everything listed here that you're going to see as it scrolls is exactly what your customers get. As you can see, there's over 300 how-to videos. It's going to go over all the different aspects of online marketing. Different affiliate marketing, the technical, the actual what you say training, what sites to use and how to use them, all the different tools, how to build your own client base, your own customer list of buying customers, how to design and launch your own products. All of this training, even video creation and how to market your videos, all this is going to be in here, folks. Everything that your customers are going to need for an online business. That's what you're giving them. And it's in video format, and there's also PDFs, Word documents that they can also view along with the videos. Speaking of PDFs, we even show you how to make your own and how to market that as well. We also have the 100 newbie mistakes, things you shouldn't do that your customer is going to get. So it's a full online training, as you can see, folks. Full online training. I just wanted you to get a look at that so that you know exactly what your customers will be getting. And like I said, my team is going to set this up for you. And as you can see, that buy now button there, that buy now button is going to be linked to you. So whenever someone hits that buy now button and they buy, you will get 100% of that pay. Here it's $19.95. You would get that whole $19.95. That goes to you. There's no splitting commissions with me or my team. That doesn't happen because we're setting you up your own video membership site. That's the whole purpose. Okay. And now that we've got a look at that, I want to show you you're not just getting the membership site. That's not all that you're getting here. You're also getting a lead magnet system that goes with it. So what the lead magnet system means is we're going to give you your own squeeze page to build your customer list with this, and you're going to get 50 follow-up lead converter emails that are also going to be installed. So what happens is once someone comes to your sign up page, they want more information, they're going to automatically start getting follow-up emails that are going to help them better understand the system, help them better understand internet marketing, but not give away the whole enchilada now. And because ultimately what it's going to do is drive them back to your sales page that our team installed for you. That's the purpose of the follow-ups. I just wanted to make sure that you knew about that aspect of the system here. And also, furthermore, as they go through our follow-ups, as they go through our system, they will also receive future promotions, further promotions for future products within the funnel, even products that we haven't even come out yet. Whatever we got new, whatever we know that's highest converting, we are going to automatically promote them to your customers in the back end. That's what this part means. It all happens in silent. There's nothing you're going to have to do. There's no extra additional coding or anything of that nature. That's the whole purpose of this installation service, to make it easier for you. Our team is going to install all of this for you. And of course, that in turn positions you as the expert. It positions you as the knowledgeable one. And of course, you're venturing to start an online business. Just the fact that you set up this very system alone shows that you're more of an expert than anybody else, anybody they know. This is what we're setting up for you, as you can see. And currently, I wanted you to also see the pricing here. I want you to know what you're looking at, how much this is going to set you back. And this, before we get right to that, here's the funnel. You can take a look at a diagram here to see what actually happens here. The actual flow, let me show you here. On this side here, you see that's traffic. Whatever traffic method you use, these are different traffic methods you can use, which I'll explain more about that. We do have training on that. And you'll see it'll go to that squeeze page, that capture page I told you. Which at the same time, simultaneously, the 50 follow-up emails are going to start going out, 1 per day. And your customer will be redirected to the sales page. There's an upsell page, of course, an OTO, where you can make additional profits. And there's that back-end integration. They're going to receive future promotions. And they'll also get a few blog posts here and there. Okay? This is a system that we set up. This whole funnelized system. This is the process that your customers will go through. And each and every last one of these pages and these videos and these follow-ups and all the technical aspects behind it, the back-end integrations, all of that is done by our team. That's done by our team. We'll have the pages, but they'll all be encoded with you. It's going to be your 100% profit business. It's going to be yours. Okay? And here are just a few of the back-end products that we'll be promoting. There's several products here you see. They're all you earn, these various commissions that you see listed here. All of these different products, they will be promoted on the back end. So there is this funnel is sort of like a never-ending funnel because it has higher ticket products that will be promoted in the back end. And as I said, any newer products that we may come out with, all of these things will be automatically promoted. Okay, and of course there's some more about the emails that we installed for you. And there's just small sampling here of what some of those emails could look like. You can see here, if you just go to the page here at interwebstrategies.biz/newbie sales, you'll get to see some of these samplings here. You'll get to see some of that. But let's keep scrolling because I did want you to get an idea of the current investment for having this full sales funnel video membership e-learning business set up for you. Okay. And here we are at the price options here. We have one option that is for those who already are familiar with setting up digital products. We basically just give you all the files, all the follow-ups, and you can install it yourself. Or what I recommend is the option 2, where we actually set it up for you. Okay, and right now I'm currently charging. Boom, there you go. But I want to let you know now, that could change. That could change at any time. So you need to go ahead and secure your installation. It'll only take us a few days, 5 business days at the most. Give or take, not counting weekends, of course, and you'll be ready. You'll be ready to go. You'll have a full video membership site in the multi-billion-dollar industry, the e-learning industry, and all monies earned will go to you 100%. I look forward to seeing your order in the back office. Look forward to telling my team, hey, hurry up and get this man's order in. Hey, hurry up and get this lady's installation done. She's ready to get going. He's ready to get going. Thank you for listening, tuning in to this video. Once again, we're Caleb, Interweb Strategist. Go to interwebstrategies.biz/newbie sales. Have a great day.